Managing your maintenance tasks shouldn't be complicated. Say goodbye to chaotic paperwork, missed phone calls, and confusing email threads. There's a better way. OptiAM is specifically engineered to simplify your maintenance management, bringing all tasks into one intuitive platform, accessible via mobile and desktop applications, even when offline. With OptiAM's live library, technicians have instant access to critical documents, manuals, and asset histories, no matter where they are, even without Wi-Fi. Real-time updates ensure quick and informed responses. Encounter equipment breakdowns or unexpected machinery failures. Easily snap a photo, create a work order in seconds, and address issues promptly. Maintain seamless communication with real-time chat, ensuring clarity on what's happening, why, and how to resolve it. Generate customizable reports that precisely track productivity, maintenance schedules, expenses, and performance. OptiAM's offline capability ensures productivity even in remote or low connectivity environments. Quickly create preventive maintenance schedules and securely store detailed maintenance histories for future reference. Easily generate PDF work orders and streamline approvals with built-in signature capture. Download OptiAM today on iOS, access through the desktop web app. OptiAM, the next-generation solution that simplifies, optimizes, and revolutionizes asset management workflows.